On January 28, 1986, the world watched in eager anticipation as the Space Shuttle Challenger prepared for launch from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. This mission, designated STS-51L, was meant to be a historic one. Among its 7-person crew was Krista McAuliffe, a high school teacher from New Hampshire, selected as the first civilian in space. Her inclusion symbolized the democratization of space exploration, and her mission promised to inspire countless young minds. At 11:38 a.m. EST, Challenger lifted off into the clear blue sky. Excitement rippled through the audience, which included McAuliffe's students and families of the crew. However, just 73 seconds after liftoff, that excitement turned to horror. The shuttle disintegrated in a catastrophic explosion, sending debris plummeting into the Atlantic Ocean. The nation and the world was in shock. Investigations later revealed that the disaster was caused by a failure in the O-ring seals of the right solid rocket booster. These seals were designed to prevent hot gases from escaping during launch, but unusually cold temperatures on the morning of the flight had compromised their effectiveness. As a result, hot gas escaped and ignited the external fuel tank, leading to the explosion. The flaws in the O-ring design had been known to NASA engineers and contractor Morton Thiokol prior to the launch. However, pressure to meet tight schedules and public expectations overshadowed safety concerns. This failure of communication and decision-making became a central theme in the investigation that followed. The disaster was a profound moment of reckoning for NASA and the broader aerospace community. President Ronald Reagan addressed the nation on the evening of the tragedy, offering words of solace and honoring the brave crew, saying, "They slipped the surly bonds of Earth to touch the face of God." In the weeks and months that followed, the Rogers Commission was formed to investigate the disaster. The commission included notable figures such as physicist Richard Feynman, who famously demonstrated the O-ring's vulnerability to cold temperatures using a simple glass of ice water during a televised hearing. The findings of the commission led to sweeping changes within NASA. Shuttle launches were suspended for nearly 3 years as the organization overhauled its safety protocols and redesigned key components of the shuttle. The lessons learned from Challenger influenced not only NASA, but also industries worldwide, emphasizing the importance of safety, transparency, and ethical decision-making. The Challenger disaster left an indelible mark on the history of space exploration. The 7 crew members, Francis R. Scobie, Michael J. Smith, Ronald McNair, Ellison Onizuka, Judith Resnick, Gregory Jarvis, and Krista McAuliffe, are remembered as pioneers who paid the ultimate price in the pursuit of discovery and knowledge. In honor of their memory, educational initiatives like the Challenger Center for Space Science Education were established to inspire future generations. The Challenger tragedy remains a powerful reminder of the human cost of exploration. While the loss was immeasurable, it galvanized a renewed dedication to ensuring the safety and integrity of space missions. The lessons learned from that fateful day continue to guide NASA and other space agencies as they strive to reach further into the cosmos.